today we are going to show you how to do this crochet border. First of all, we're working a row of single crochet all around the blanket. And when you work the single crochets, you're evenly spacing them and looking for them. In this case, it's a half double crochet. So you're looking for that natural hole at the end of each of the rows. There is a kind of a natural hole, and that will distribute along the sides anyway the stitches automatically. So just try to keep the stitches even along the side of the row. And then next we're moving on to the top of the blanket where you've got the stitches. Sorry, this is the bottom. So on the bottom row you just work a single crochet into every stitch along the bottom there, and I'd advise you to try to get both loops of the bottom stitch. Now we're moving on to the coloured actual part of the border, which is worked in half double crochet. You're going to be working half double crochet all around the blanket in whichever colour you've chosen to do the border in. So you can see this is half double crochet here, and next when you reach the corner, I'm going to show you how you work each corner as you work your way around. So this is the stitch right before the corner, working the last stitch before the corner here. Then when you get to the corner, you're going to do 2 half double crochets into the corner. So 1 and then 2 back into the same space. Then you're going to work 2 chain. You might find it better to work 1 chain. If it starts bunching up, then maybe 1 chain might be more suitable. And then back into the same space. You can see I'm having a bit of difficulty here, it's a bit tight. Working another 2 half double crochet back into that same space, and then just continuing to work your way around, and then joining at each row, end of the row, with a slip stitch before you continue with the next rows. So as you work your way around, you're going to work about 10 rows of half double crochet, and you can see I've skipped here because I thought it would be pretty boring to show you me working 10 rows of half double crochet. So just coming up the straight here near the end of the blanket, you can see what that looks like after 10 rows of half double crochet. And here we have the finished blanket. You would just do what's called an invisible join at the end to finish, or you can slip stitch to finish, and this is what your half double crochet modern border looks like.